Hello, and thanks for tuning in. My name's Chris Donovan. I'm a sales associate at Lightspeed Financial Services Group. In today's quick video, we will be covering the routing choices offered on the Lightspeed Trader platform. At the end of the video, I'll explain and show an example for adding and taking liquidity. Lightspeed Trader currently offers 25 routing choices for you to choose from when trading. You can find this list of routes along with the fees associated with using them on our website. The direct link to this page is lightspeed.com/pricing/routing-fees. Alternatively, you can find this page by mousing over the pricing dropdown at the top of our website. Left-click on the Lightspeed routing fees option to see what routes we offer and the costs of using them. Please remember to keep in mind the per share cost of the route you are using. Some routes cost more than others, and these fractions of a cent can add up faster than you think. We offer the Lightspeed route LSPT, which is our internal route, which tries to find the best route and price for your order. This is our most cost-effective routing option. For hidden orders, where your order and the number of shares will not be visible on the order book of an ECN or exchange, we offer the LSPD Dark Assault route. However, please note that using this route carries with it a slightly higher price per share than our regular LSPT Smart route. Something else to keep in mind when trading is that you also do pay regulatory fees as well. The rates for these fees can be found at the bottom of the routing fees page on our website. Please note, we do use route providers to send these orders to on our behalf. We do not have direct access to the markets. Now, I'll explain and provide an example for taking and adding liquidity. As you can see, there are 4 columns: venue, add liquidity, take liquidity, and outbound shares. Any value in parentheses is a cost or payment by you. Any value without a parentheses is a credit to you. These fees are on top of your commission rate. As an example, LSPT is a flat fee of 0.0015 cents per share, or $1.50 per 1,000 shares. Exchanges like NASDAQ and ARCA provide rebates for adding liquidity at 0.002 cents per share, or $2 per 1,000 shares, but charge 0.003 cents a share for taking liquidity, or $3 per 1,000 shares. The EdgeX exchange provides a 0.0016 per share rebate, or a $1.60 per 1,000 shares rebate, and charges a 0.003 per share for taking liquidity, or $3 per 1,000 shares. On a side note, any hidden orders do not get a rebate and may be charged for taking liquidity. It is also worth noting that even if routing a buy order at the best bid or a sell order at the best offer, while in theory is adding liquidity, due to market conditions, that limit order could be marketable by the time it hits the market and hence may not be adding liquidity. Here's an example of taking and adding liquidity. Any order you send that is first to the market at that price, where the other side comes up or down to your price, is adding liquidity. Look at the screenshot. Microsoft is $221.10 bid with a $221.11 ask. That bid and ask are both adding liquidity to the market. If you trade with either order, you will be taking liquidity. If you enter any buy order lower than $221.11 or any sell order higher than $221.10, you will then be adding liquidity, and the trader that enters an order to trade with you would be taking liquidity. The last column on our webpage is for outbound shares. Outbound shares occur when you send an order to an ECN or exchange where that venue does not have liquidity at that price, but another one does. The venue you target will route out your order to get filled on another venue. As an example, again, using the below level 2 screenshot from Microsoft, if I send my order to buy 300 shares of Microsoft to ARCA, and ARCA has no shares at that price, ARCA will route my order to EdgeX and charge me 0.0035 cents per share, or $3.50 per 1,000 shares. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Have a good day.